I bought myself some stuff, something I don't do too often. I don't really pay myself too often, so I went ahead and did it. It's something that's been frustrating me with this boat for a long time. And one of the things I'm talking about right now is this.
All for the love of guitars, girls, green grass, and guns. Yeah. I was busted outside the bus.
This is the Lowrance Hook-5 depth downscan sonar. This has the original Lowrance X50DS. Now if you guys remember those, it's a green screen, black and white pretty much, pops up an image of a fish, doesn't give you a good interpretation of what's going on down there. It does give you the good water temperature and it gives you good depth on readings. But we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of the Lowrance Hook-5. So come on. So here it is, guys, the Lowrance Hook-5. It's a 5-inch display, which is more than enough for what I need on my boat. I see a lot of you guys running out there with like Apple, IBM, and freaking monitors from a computer I haven't seen since I played the Oregon Trail. You got an 85-inch screen. That's fine if that's what you need. You got the old eyes and stuff. I'm totally happy with this. I also bought a RAM mount for it so I could swivel it from cockpit controls all the way up to me on the trolling motor, which is going to help me out a lot for what I'm doing. Because right now, see, I'm kind of going on, even though this is unboxing. While I'm on the trolling motor, I got to turn around to the guy behind me and go, "Hey man, how deep is it?" And that's not going to work out for what I'm trying to do. It's got the chip sonar, downscan imaging, built-in GPS, so it does have the SD card in here for it, which is awesome. It's also got track back, a lot of other features. So let's go ahead and see what comes in the box, guys. We got a cover for it right here, which isn't going to do me no good because I'm the kind of guy who is extremely anal with what I have, and it's coming off the boat every time I'm off the boat. So there's a cover for it, which is cool. There's a thank you in about 85 different languages, which I appreciate that, Lowrance, that's cool. Manual, installation guide, which I'm definitely going to be using because we're also going to be installing this. Operator's manual, learn your equipment guy. Electronics are pretty important for what we have going on nowadays. Here's the micro SD card. Lake Pro V16 has a lot of built-in information on this as far as GPS and your lakes go. So I'm excited to have that as well. Here's the unit itself. It comes in with this sweet plastic wrapping. There's the Lowrance Hook-5, guys. Like I said, 5-inch screen, plug and play, easy mount. I bought a RAM mount for this, like I said, so we'll get into that too. So there's the unit. Got a sweet little flower power thing I gotta do here. Here's the transducer for the unit itself. Will be mounted on the back of the boat. Nice long cord for it. I got a feeling if I wanted to, I could go all the way from the front trolling motor to the back if I needed to, but that's not how I'm going to have this set up at all. Here's the mount it comes with, guys, and like I said, it's not going to work for what I'm trying to do. It does have swivel and all that stuff built in. It's just, it's too low, and I want it up a little higher for me. So there's that. It's like some mounting hardware for the transducer. Power cable cord. Fuse, some other mounting hardware, and that's all that comes in it, guys. There's not much to it. And here's the RAM mount I bought for it. I didn't need anything too big, just big enough for me to see from, like I said, the cockpit and be able to rotate the unit around to the front. This isn't a very expensive separate mount at all. It's like 40 bucks. Got it at Bass Pro Shop. A lot of different ways that you can set this up on your boat. I'm still in between thoughts on how I'm going to do it on mine, but like I said, I'll have a video coming up to where you guys can check that out. Like always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have this unit and there's some must-haves or need-to-knows for this unit, go ahead and drop those down in the comments, guys. Let me know. Any information helps me out with what we're trying to do here. So, like I said, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Here's a little story about two friends that came together, and we started up a YouTube just to talk about whatever. We're on a boat catching big bass and smashing them cats. From review videos to just making you laugh. Cause we got guns, we got knives, we got fishing, we got hunting, we got everything you like. So hit that subscribe button. We're in the outdoors, doing things that we love. We're talking guitars, girls, green grass, and guns.
Unboxings rock.